Oh shit. There's a big ass nail in here. I just saw this. How the hell did this get in my tires? This is insane. So I've been riding the Boosted Rev for a month or two now. It used to take me 45 minutes to get to work one way. And now I can get to work in 15 minutes on this thing. It is absolutely incredible. One thing that's good about the Boosted Rev is that it has air tires. That means that the ride is more comfortable than a regular scooter without air-filled tires. But that also means that you can get a flat. And I did. So I went to work the other day, and now this tire is completely deflated. I saw this awesome video by Boosted Luke. It was pretty useful. It tells you how to sort of disassemble the rear part of this thing. So what I need to do here is first take this off. And so I can get to the nut behind this. And then the second thing I need to do is take this nut off, and that'll help me get to these bolts, these bolts here. So the tools you'll need are dead simple. An adjustable wrench, a set of Allen keys or hex keys, preferably ones with ball ends like these. They make it way easier to turn things. What will also make your life easier is if you had an attachment, a T-shaped attachment that'll help you turn things more easily. You'll obviously need a spare tube. Boosted gives you 2 of these with the scooter. And you'll also need a bicycle pump, or any pump really. All you need is that it's compatible with a Schrader valve. You'll also need these valve extenders that Boosted gives you with the scooter. So there's 2 things here. There's a nut and a washer that go outside. So that was the easy part. Now we need to take this thing off. So what I'm using is 5/32. Okay, the ball end is much easier to use. This is a screw that you get out, and that lets you sort of pull this cap off. Oh wait, am I tightening it? I am tightening it. Let's take this. I think now you can just lift up the scooter and sort of take the wheel out. There we go. The same Allen key, I think, can be used for these screws. Oh god, they're super tight. This is gonna be a while. I'm actually gonna take out the last screw right now. To take these 7 screws out, it took me around 20 minutes because they're just so goddamn tight and they're so long, and this thing is not very efficient. I'm gonna try taking this plate off. Amazing. So this thing comes right off. It's got a bunch of lubricant or something on it. But yeah, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm actually gonna deflate the tire all the way first. Looks like it is deflated. Shit, let me take this out. You need to sort of push the little nipple nozzle out of here. It's like an L shape. I know it's hard to see, but you'll kind of figure it out when you actually do this thing. It's not too bad. So this is the tube. I don't think you can take this off. Oh shit. There's a big ass nail in here. I just saw this. I can't believe I didn't see this before. This is insane. Look at the size of this fucking thing. How the hell did this get in my tires? This is insane. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers or something. Oh god, it's a... Oh shit. There's a piece left in the tires. You can see that it's like pretty sharp and it's gone inside. So I'm gonna take the new tube. The thing has to go inside. This thing needs to go. So put the tube inside the tire. Oh shit, it's through. He's through, boys. We made it. Oh yeah. I think this is kind of flush with it. Just put the screws in. It's tight. Don't want to break this thing. Now that I've screwed in everything, I can inflate the tire. PSI. That works. We're back on the other end. Put that back. And there's a right way to put it on. Lift up the scooter. Slide you back into place. But on this side, you need to also put the thing between the two washers. Well, the washer's on either side of the little hook bracket. Drop into place. Right at the end. Sweet. This washer back on here, and again there's a right way to put it on. And then I'm gonna just wrist tighten the nut. The nut's still loose. I'm just gonna wrist tighten that too. I'll make sure the wheel still spins properly. So lift this up, and it looks like it's spinning. It should be. Now all that's left to do is sort of tighten both the nuts properly. Tighten this side. Pretty standard stuff. And the last step is putting this case thing back on. Screw it back in. While putting pressure on it so it stays. guess the final thing to do is sort of see if it turns on still. It still turns on. And if the wheels turn, put it back to motor 1. Look like they're turning well. That's good. And I guess we'll test it out tomorrow. This is the end result of your hands. I did wash them once.